You want less suck?
Yeah.
You want your friends not laughing at you anymore?
Yeah.
Do you want to be better at video games?
Oh yeah.
Well then drink this.
Video energy? What's this?
It's an energy drink that will make you better at video games.
Really?
Ouch. You're better already.
Oh my god.
Video energy. You will have less suck.
This is a street special Mindfreak. Alright. Well, let's have this little sucker.
Oh my god, Criss Angel, I love you. Punch your shit all the time. Ah, don't touch me.
Alright, I'm gonna make this man levitate. Alright, ready?
Where'd it go? He had to hit the tree.
Excuse me, sir. I want to do some magic. What's your favorite college?
I'm a big fan of Cal U.
Oh, alright. Alright, so you see this thing, this is called a hat cage.
Yes.
See it's empty?
Yeah,
You want to feel it
empty.
around?
Yeah, I can put my hand through it. So.
Yeah, see. Alright, ready?
Now! Whoa, plant!
Yeah, I thought that was a nice touch.
Yeah.
Alright, so...
Dude, no way.
Your new cow hat.
That is awesome, dude. That is sweet. I'm gonna wear it right now. It's beautiful. Can you make this one disappear?
Sure. Put it in the hat cage.
That's awesome.
Are you ready?
No! Nice.
Gone.
That's awesome. Can I have this? Sure. Thanks. Yeah. Alright! Yeah!
Dude, that's so amazing. See this 12-pack of Coke?
Yeah.
Full, right?
Yeah.
You want one?
Yeah.
Too bad! Hey, I don't feel like walking down these steps, man. I'm really tired. That was you. Dude, where'd he go? I don't know. Where'd he go? There he is! Come back! Dude, where is he? Where did he go? Is he in there?
Joel! Joel!
Oh! Where did you? What the heck? Where were you?
Up through the street, man.
Where'd you go?
Where were you? Don't you have any clue where you were? Were you just still falling and falling? Did it hurt when you landed? What'd you hit? Oh.
Dude, that was insane, man. It was insane. Mindfreak. Hit me. I'm gonna hit you. Where'd it go? Where did it go?
You made it disappear. Criss Angel.
Mindfreak.
What the?
Broken glass. Finger. Where'd the top go? I got this time! No!
Wow, where'd he go, dude? I have no clue where he went. Oh!
Suicide.
Whoa!
Whoa!
I thought you just fell. What do you mean no?
I mean, no. I didn't fall.
Oh. Oh, dude, way to go. Wait, where'd he go, dude? Oh my god, dude! Dude! Dude, no! Stop! Dude! Oh! I'm so putting this on YouTube.
Hey guys. Fast forward. Love you down. Slow down.
Slow, dude. I'm confused.
It's amazing.
That is amazing.
I love ponies! I have a really big dog. Already it sucks. Why, hello there.
Your mother, she makes hot dogs. You stink. You stink.
No.